నేచర్ కి అక్కర్లేదు కి మనం ప్రేమించుకున్నామా పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నామా ఇట్ డజంట్ కేర్.
I congratulated the entire team. It was a stupendous experience.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Very, very good.
పర్సనల్ అసిస్టెంట్ పెద్దగా అవసరం లేదు కానీ ఐ రియలీ లైక్ యూ. డోంట్ హావ్ డిన్నర్ సమ్ టైమ్?
Anything new that people try, anything new that filmmakers want to try, you already tried it before.
But I have never been an inspiration to myself.
I know, sir.
It is a futuristic film, it is a love story, all those things are there. But inside there is a core, there is a very strong core there. So that is the universal appeal, which I found excellent. Congrats to all the people.
Thanks,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
ఆల్ ఇట్ వాంట్స్ us to do is to make babies.
I mean, 7 decades of my film life, I have never found such a sweet, smiling demon like you.
That is
I
so
love that.
sweet, sir. Thank you.
I love that.
An inexplicable thing has happened in you,
Yeah.
which it is something which has invaded into technology.
Yeah.
That was very interesting.
సో నో బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
బాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్ ఉంటే నా ఫేవరెట్ ప్లేస్ నీతో షేర్ చేసుకుంటాను.
Nag, how did you get him?
Sir, I found him in one award show, sir, backstage.
Oh,
I found him in his backstage. He came to collect one award because he won best playback singing for some movie. So I
okay.
saw him and I saw a very interesting character for something. And sometime later, a month later, when I was writing this, I thought it would be interesting to experiment to see if he would be interested in this.
You said you never, it's the first time you are acting, no?
Yes, sir.
How did you get to that so much?
I-
You are originally that or you are...
Yeah, every time I kept asking, like, he's like, just do what you do and do what you do. So that's all. I was just on set trying to be myself. Every time I consciously thought of, trying to act, it wasn't working. So he was like, yeah.
Sir, Sanjit is also the music director of the film, sir.
I scored the music.
Oh!
Yeah. Surya,
Oh.
a friend of mine, and I did it for the first time again.
Oh, very good. Okay. Now that I did not, it was so much a part of the film, your music. That makes your music great.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
After it's true, because now I will see it again only with music. So, Shruti, I think this sort of a futuristic technology, is it first time you are doing it or you have done any futuristic?
No, not like this, sir. Not like this. I've not done before. That is so set in the future. Not only that, like quite relatable as to our lives currently.
Yeah.
Because most of the characters are very, very removed from my world. The women I play. So
Okay.
this was the first time,
Okay.
and it was and even in terms of the kind of role it is, that layer on layer. So it was also the first time for that.
And Shruti, there was a very interesting thing I noticed. You see, you are performing. Actually, you are performing as Divya also. A sort of a love story. You're pretending that, but it's not pretending. It is genuine. It's a very complex
Yes.
character, which you did wonderfully.
For me, what was very interesting is the first half of the film plays into the traditional Kapathunga, damsel needs help narrative that I myself have played in so many films, and then to turn it around was very interesting for me.
Yeah. So this was an interesting thing because even after the future,
Yeah,
the status of the woman,
Yeah.
the liberated woman, is still the same.
Yes.
It does not change.
yes,
The
absolutely.
male shamanism continues.
Yes, that he will save and he will fix it,
I think, but actually in a very subtle way it's there.
Yeah,
It's there in the entire thing. It's not told
no, yeah,
verbally
Yeah.
or visually. But you can still feel
yes,
the life, contemporary life, is as bad for a woman as it was 1,000 years back.
in a different
and it
way.
will be there another 1,000 years.
Yeah, in a different way.
Now I think it was taken a long time. How many days? I mean, I am transgressing the discussion. I do not know. How many days the whole thing will take place?
To shoot, we shot very fast, sir. We shot only in 5 days.
Oh, 5 days.
Yeah, we shot in 5 days because of COVID and budget and everything. We shot very fast, sir.
We shot it during
during COVID lockdown and all that, sir.
That way, COVID is helping the producers
Yeah,
a
it's
lot.
helping, it's helping us also plan things faster. But the CG and all, we took little time, sir. It took 2 months because it was a small CG team and all. Some of it is green mat, some we built sets, sir. So in COVID time also we built like one pretty big set, and then we changed that twice into 2 or 3 setups. So it was quite a challenging thing for a small OTT sort of film.
I particularly have got one very interesting scene between Vic and his friend on the table. He comes and says, change. Don't do that. And he is, who are you? No, this, that. And finally he is dismissed.
Yeah.
That scene is there, you know. You read it on the paper, it is a drab, it is an academic discussion scene. That's all. You just see, it is just an academic scene. But when it came on to the film, you know, there are so much of warmth, so much of emotions, so many things. It is all fused into, perhaps to wonderful performances,
Yeah.
wonderful piece of taking. That made the whole life blossom into that. Or else, if you see, you just read it, it is an academic discussion, like a talk show.
It is, it's only you can say it like it is, sir. It is like that only. and we figured it out through a little rehearsal. We cut it, and then in edit we reshaped it, and then so it took a long, and also even that other boy Santosh Shoban also acted really well as Neil. So he also, in that one scene of his, he did what he had to, and it was believable.
And another thing now is, what I felt, what I got it was, probably the impression was, the technology is overtaking the person, the human being, and life and all that. But somehow, I am not very sure whether I can agree with that.
Sir.
Because I feel it is the commercialization of technology that is the.
Agreed, sir.
If you say what Vic has invented, we are all doing right now same thing. When you show me a film, it is a sort of a dream factory, virtual reality. But it's a limited thing. It goes under entertainment. It was okay. It's a relief. But it passes the border of entertainment and gets into life itself. That becomes a dangerous thing. There's a thin line.
Yeah, I think now, yeah. I think what I was feeling, sir, was I think that line our generation is crossing, because we are living completely one sort of a virtual life. Like most of the people we interact with, sometimes we've never met, and we care about opinions of people we've never met, and we're influenced by companies that we don't really know, so it feels like we run into the people who are in power, who's controlling this. The technology is the problem, it's not the technology.
When I first saw your film movie, in all my life I found, even when I made Aditya 369, the time machine film, the past was there and the present was there, but the future was the most important thing. That was always thing, because you go to an astrologer, you go to a palmist, that's more interesting than what's happening. So the moment you selected that setup, I thought half the battle was won. What a wonderful thing you have done. So great. And I congratulate you, the entire team. It was a stupendous experience for me.
Thank you, sir.
My constant, I'm now 89 and running 90. My constant effort is to be your age or younger. I mean, I'm very happy that people of the same age group have met.
Completely, sir.
Yes.
We will see you soon.
See you soon, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.